In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove songs from YouTube music playlist. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on Android, but you can do the exact process on your iPhone too. The first thing you need to do is log on YouTube and log into your account. After doing that, you need to click on Library on the last option. Okay, so click on Library. And after doing that, you need to find the playlist that you want to remove this song, okay? So you need to find your music playlist. I will use this one just for example. So I will use this one, but you need to find your music playlist. After doing that, you need to click on these three dots on the right and click on Remove From and the name of your playlist, okay? So you need to click on the third option with this icon, with this block icon, Remove From, and that's it, you already removed your song from YouTube music playlist, okay? I hope I help you on how to remove songs from YouTube music playlist. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive its footsteps.